Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have TRIBIT FlyBuds 3 wireless Bluetooth earbuds with the model number BTH92 and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your phone or other device, or they're not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working, or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear, a factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you've decided these are irretrievably broken and you need a new set of earbuds, I'll put a link in the description to a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is if for whatever reason you just want to delete everything off of them so that you can set them up as a new set of earbuds coming out of the box with all of the pairing history deleted. It's really very easy to do. You just need to put the earbuds in the case as shown here with the case open, and we're just going to press and hold the button on the charging case while we keep an eye on these four lights here. And when these four lights here all simultaneously blink 4 times together, that means that the reset is complete, at which point you can go ahead, take the earbuds out and set them up like you're just setting up a new set of earbuds.